Many people treat sleep like it is optional. If I sleep, fine. If I don't, I'll manage. But here's the truth. Sleep is not a luxury. Sleep is a life system. When you sleep well, everything works better. When you don't, everything struggles. Let's be honest. You've had days where you slept late, you woke up tired, your body felt heavy, your mood was low, and that day, everything felt harder. Work was slower, decisions were stressful, you got irritated easily. Now compare that to a day after good sleep. You feel light, focused, energized. That difference, that is the power of sleep. During good sleep, your body repairs itself, resets your brain, balances hormones, restores energy. Sleep is when your body does its deep maintenance. Benefits of a good night's sleep. 1. Better energy throughout the day. Good sleep gives you physical strength, mental alertness, sustained energy. You don't rely on coffee, energy drinks, or constant breaks. Your body powers itself. 2. Improved focus and productivity. When you sleep well, you think faster, you make better decisions, you solve problems easily. Whether you're a student, a worker, or a business owner, sleep improves performance. 3. Stronger immunity. Your body fights illness during sleep. Good sleep helps strengthen your immune system, speed up recovery. Poor sleep weakens your defense. 4. Better mood and emotional control. Sleep affects how you react. With good sleep, you are calmer, less stressed, more patient. Without sleep, you get irritated easily. You overreact, you feel overwhelmed. 5. Healthier heart and body. Good sleep supports blood pressure regulation, heart health, body recovery. Long-term sleep deprivation can increase health risks. 6. Improved memory and learning. Sleep helps your brain store information, process experiences, improve memory. That's why students who sleep well perform better. 7. Better weight control. Sleep affects hunger hormones. Poor sleep can lead to increased appetite, cravings, overeating. Good sleep helps regulate your body. 8. Faster physical recovery. Whether you work physically or exercise, sleep helps your body repair muscles, reduce fatigue, recover faster. Common mistakes people make: sacrificing sleep for work, using phone late into the night, ignoring sleep environment, sleeping on uncomfortable surfaces. Many people better results, but ignore sleep. Good sleep is not only about time, it is also about your mattress, your pillow, your environment, your body support. You can sleep 8 hours and still feel tired if your sleep setup is wrong. Why your mattress matters. Your mattress affects spinal alignment, body comfort, pressure distribution, sleep depth. If your mattress is too soft, too hard, sagging, worn out, your sleep quality reduces. If you want to improve your sleep, start from your foundation, your mattress. One trusted option in Nigeria is Winco Foam Industries Limited. We provide different mattress options designed for proper support, comfort balance, long-term durability. Because when your body is supported, you fall asleep faster, you stay asleep longer, you wake up refreshed, and with options like a 14-night sleep trial, you don't just guess. You experience. Good sleep is not a small thing. It affects your health, your mood, your work, your life. If you improve your sleep, you improve everything else. Because success is not only about hard work, it is also about recovery, and recovery happens during sleep. If you want to explore better sleep solutions, you can visit www.wincofoam.com for more educational posts. Like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, sleep well, live better.